Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Python programming. In this video, we'll explore the fundamental concepts of Python, a versatile and powerful programming language. Python is renowned for its simplicity, readability, and vast applications across different industries. From web development to data analysis and artificial intelligence, Python's flexibility makes it a go-to language for various projects. Let's start with the basics. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language characterized by its clear and concise syntax. It's supported by a robust community of developers. Python's adaptability shines across different domains, making it a preferred choice for both beginners and seasoned programmers. Python's elegance lies in its simplicity. Let's explore the fundamental concepts. Variables and data types. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, strings, and more. Variables allow for efficient data manipulation. Basic operations. Performing basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in Python is straightforward. To control the flow of your programs, you need control structures. Conditional statements. With if, elif, and else statements, you can execute code based on specific conditions. Loops, use for and while loops to iterate through tasks and repeat actions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that promote code organization and reusability. Using functions in Python enhances readability and maintains clean and efficient code. Python's extensive library ecosystem amplifies its capabilities. This serves as an introduction. For more in-depth learning, check out resources mentioned in the video description, such as books, online courses, and websites. Thank you for joining us on this introductory journey into Python programming. We've covered the basics to ignite your Python exploration. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more Python tutorials and programming content. Remember, practice is key. Keep coding, keep exploring, and embrace the exciting world of Python programming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Coder Squad. Happy coding!